Pam, pam, pam. Yeah, what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negus Imara, and I would like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Yeah, man. So what do you want me to take a lot to scrutinize a one booby? You understand what I said? This booby right here is a fantastic booby. I like this booby because this booby are one of them girl there where she split justice. You understand what I say? She talk about man and she talk about woman and she don't bias with nobody. You understand what I say? So, you know, so the quicker we dive into the video or the short of the intro. See? So let's dive into the video right now. Ladies and gentle G's. So buckle up.
Man out the road. You see when a woman left and she gone and she move on, leave her. Don't call her. Don't blood clot call her. Control the blood clot in your pants and don't call her. You see, all when you hear a song one used to listen to and it's something good and you remember, leave her blood clot, don't call her. You see, when you remember how she used to quint the blood clot, put it by the cocky head, Jesus Christ, don't call her. You see, when you remember you used to give it to her, you used to knock her up and just do all the good things to her. I hear her she scream out and call you daddy and call you this and call you that.
Ooh!
Don't call her. Because your blood clot call her, she'll go dog you. Matters worse, she'll go put the phone on speaker and make her new man hear.
Yeah.
And new man will go laugh after you. So don't call her. Make she galang, make him take her. She crosses, make him take her. Make she galang, make she galang.
So basically what Mama say is that if you and a girl end, you understand what I say? It no matter good or bad, don't call her. Make she call you. You understand what I say? If interest really there, she go show to you. You understand what I say? You supposed to be the man, bro. Are you supposed to all out? It's when a woman left you, bro, she left you mentally before she left you physically, you know. So you have to remember, when she left you physically, you might think, say, yo, she still a say, oh, she a think boy and whatever, bro. She check out completely bad, bro. Because them left you yassa before them left you physically. You understand what I say about, bro? So don't call her if you and her end. Especially on bad terms. Especially on bad terms, don't call her. She got this your bad, bro. And as she say, you the new man I got there writing at the bed a laugh after you, bro. Don't do it. We'll move on. Next video.
Women out the road, the man them say, when them go above and beyond during sex and pleasure, and by the time they're done, only stand on the back and go sleep. No, it not right. It not right.
I agree.
When I need for turn around and tell them how good they were. When I need for turn around and tell them, say, baby, you a stallion, I'm love how you perform. And while you tell him that, you stroke him. And you see, when you tell him that, he might go get up again. And you see, when him get up again, you just go up on top and angle your business and make him feel appreciated. So you see, when time you see him go on and the tone go reach the climax, you just say, baby, not yet. And you carry him to the kitchen or the bathroom or wherever you want to go, even out the door.
Out the door.
And you just carry on excitement and make him feel appreciated.
Yeah, man.
And wanted. And I have to help them out too. And here we have some girl out there. I wait for them to scrape them up and not send them back home. So I have to make sure say, when do one for do. Just I say, I know me I say what them I say, so me just I help on out.
You have to remember, mama, men want to be pleasured too, especially when there's a huge amount of pressure upon us for pleasure. Uno, mama, you have to pleasure with you too. You understand what I say? You have to make sure so the thing up. You have to make sure so the balls them drain. We can't come here with full balls and left with full balls. Mama, the just for drain. You understand what I say? When time I left a yard, mama balls look like a suck out bag juice. You understand what I say? No hydration. The balls them just in the square up and just tight up in the tight up the skin tight, suck out like a bag juice. At that, as someone my balls for look, mama. You understand what I say? Me come here yard with big balls and left with big balls. Left with bigger balls. Blue balls will like kill you over that. Yo! But anyway, a real talk, mama make. Real talk. Can we continue now? Which was our last video we got to write us. So, Zane, men, these are a few things women like. So that one here for the fellas. So we need to pay attention. I wish me to find a video when we make the video about man a please them, woman a please them, man. Make me feel like that video with a good feet. But anyway, can we continue?
A man in the comments say me need to talk about what woman love in bed. So let me help you out now, sir. You see, woman body is a work of art. It needs to be explored. Woman want them body explored. Yeah. Woman want you talk to them dirty. They want you go from head to toe, them why you explore the areas them where neglected.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even them foot bottom, them why you touch certain areas. Them why when time you are deal with them, it's not about no ram. It's not about ramming. You need to take your time. They want foreplay. They want the long kisses and the long strokes.
Yeah.
They don't want you just run, come and jump in and just start woogie wagga. No. They don't want that. And what you need to do, you need to pay attention. Because some woman, they're not going to tell you what they want. But them body language will tell you what they want. So you need to pay attention to what they want.
Yes.
Some will verbalize it and tell us, baby, this. And you need to ask them question. You need to ask them. If you don't understand, ask them question. Ask them like it. Ask them how it feel and then will tell you.
All right, hold on. I'll pause that real quick. You see what she said right there, so I wish she would have used the word some. Some women have no time for that, mama. Some women more experienced and them just want a buff and left. You understand what I said? No one, how was it? Like you like it? That is a turn off to a lot of women. Because if you did really know what you do, you would have never have asked them question there. And also me thinking, I saw them think, and I experienced my ask girl, you know, I feel already, and I found out to never ask that. Don't ask if you like it. Don't ask if it's good. Don't ask whatever. If you really put your game down, she will tell you, say it good. She will tell you, say she want it again. You understand what I say? So, whether if it's a L or a W, bro, is a learning lesson regardless. So go continue anyway.
Can come 5-6 times before you. So you have to find a spot there to make she come.
Yes.
Let me tell you what she want you. She want you to worship her. She want you to touch her clit. She want you to do. When I say worship her, you tell her how she's pretty. She's a goddess. She's the queen. Then something you need to tell her. You need to tell her how she's sexy.
Yeah.
You need to tell her how much you love her, how much you just want to spend the rest of your life with her. Make she feel worthy.
Yeah.
Women want them man to try new things. They don't want the same every day.
Yeah.
So one of them days, somehow, no, they can't just cut the bullshit and just say, you know what, may I go right down there. Have your hand run all over her body. All over her body. From her legs come straight up to her ass.
Talk it.
Squeeze the ass and slap it and just talk to her.
Yeah.
Nibble on her ears, not on her breast. And while you nibble, you tell her something. And you just ease off you a little bit and make sure want you more. Yes. And then you just go back in with, you know, all the good tricks where you have.
Yes.
At some point you can get rough, but believe me, most times women don't want to be rough. And try don't blood clot come before her, because if you come before her right there, so a fast and furious, and I know you go furious, and she go blood clot furious, and she go tell her friend them say you can't fuck.
That's facts. When we talk about the other day, don't end up in the WhatsApp group chat, bro. You understand what I say? So just be to the bubble and just know so your area mission accomplished. You understand what I say? But here no, it's she right now. I believe every word that come out of her mouth. Some woman them like it different. Some woman them want it wicked and wild. Some woman them just, you understand what I say? Some woman want it rough. Some woman don't want it rough. You understand what I say? But I do a video the other day about men, how men can last longer in a bed. And I bet you will never believe what happened. Now I put it on the screen right now. So I make the video zine and the creature come say, is that what you're teaching young boys about how to approach sex like some primitive barbaric creature? That's grape-like behavior. So I'm not gonna use the R word because I don't know YouTube and them thing that's up. I'm going to say grape. You understand what I said? Shosi said what I said was grape-like behavior. Me teaching men how to last longer in bed is grape-like behavior. Gentlemen, you see, if you meet a woman like this in a person, brother, run. Don't even tell her your name. Because them type of gala with Senegal prison bad, bro. You understand what I say? Watch out. So me say, is that what you got from this video? You disgust me with that comment you made. Shame on you. You are a grown woman. And the first thing come up in your mind when I am making a video for men how to last longer in bed is grape. You're sick and disgusting, lady. Anyway, go continue. So, after I say what me say, and she responded with her little ugly self. So, I replied to that. Shame on you for exaggerating and formulating disgusting ideas. Not because you like something in particular doesn't mean that someone else like what someone else like is barbaric or R-word behavior. Zin, you are sick. It's clear you're suffering from trauma, and I'm sorry. I wish you love and endless healing. She come back with her creaturistic self now. You sound like you've been traumatized in how you were introduced to sex. Filthy and vulgar approach with which misinform and miseducate youngsters. That's how young boys end up graping based on the ish you were spewing. Me telling a man for back him fist before him go on girl house or before she come link him so him can last longer is grape-like behavior. Me telling a man for pull out and wait a little bit and go and play with the girl kitty cat while him body calm down so him can go a little longer, that's grape-like behavior. Me telling men how to please them woman is grape-like behavior. Again, Mr. Gentleman, if you meet a woman like this in your life, run! Run! Them woman are miserable. Nobody no want them, brother. You understand what I say? Go continue real quick as I know. So you have one brother now. Him tag around say, yet there are females who like it barbaric. And barbaric mean, you don't know rough. You understand what I say? Enough girl like it rough, especially the girl from Jamaica. You can't want to get a Jamaican girl. You can imagine you want to get a Jamaican girl, some little 1-2 flashy. Oh yeah, oh my God, yeah, booby. She go run and she go tell all your friends you can't fuck. So you look at me, this ugly creature. Stop running off your stinking mouth about you. You stink and you're ugly in a bum buckler to run off your big stinking mouth. A woman like you send man go to jail innocently for nothing. Dirty girl. Yeah, no. The man said, yet there are females who like it barbaric. This is what she said now with her done self. It's not that men are easier to please in bed. It's that immature and uninformed men think more about their performance, reputation, and ego. Thus, their eagerness and lack of inhibition to be brutish in bed, thinking that's what makes for a great sexual partner. The sad thing is many a girl are socialized equally poorly to think that brutish behavior makes a great lover. Dunce bumbuckler girl. Just because you like missionary and grandpa sex, that don't mean the next girl like it. You dunce bitch. Watch out, look on a blood clot ugly girl. You are saying these things because you look like that. No one wants you. No one wants you. So you come on the internet and create problems. Look how you look. You are a 2. Matter of fact, I give you a 0. Just because of what you said, I give you a 0. But looks wise, you're a 2. But what you commented, I'll give you a 0 because you're dunce. And you hate men. It's obvious you hate men. I said, Zine, I even said in the same video, take time, bro. You can't just run in and because you deal with it fast. No, brother, take it easy, Irish. You understand the master? Just whine in our belly, bad bro. Whine in our belly. Take it easy, man. Just whine in the belly. Take it easy. And that's grape-like behavior. I hate women like you. And I hope that the woman them where follow this channel, find you. And give you a dose of reality. Because you're lame. Not because you like lame sex doesn't mean another woman likes it. You understand what I say? Some woman, them want your box them. Some woman want you spitting at them mouth. Some woman want you nibble upon them nipple. Some woman want you bite out them neck like Jackila. You understand what I say, mama? So you just mind your bum up, your ass clap business, you ugly bitch. Fuck you. You funky motherfucker. You stink, I bet you. Anyone say you pussy stink. You ugly, look like a blood clot chimpanzee, you bum hole, ya. Fuck you. Anyway, I feel so much better saying that. Oh my God. Damn, I love expressing myself. I express myself, I feel better in life. I feel better in life. When you don't treat every woman like that, just treat woman like she, like this. That's what I say. And everybody says, oh, you're not supposed to. No. As long as you come at me sideways, I have all right to come at you sideways. Yeah, well, I don't know, share One Nation and Imara Nation. This has been Negus Speaks, and I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Oh my God. Hey. First time when I see you, I'm lit. No, it's alright. I say I go, yo, let's see for this. Let's see me. Up move.